Let's go ahead and peel this right off. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I want to unbox this iPhone 13 Pro Max. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So yeah, I know it's about 6 months old now and there are a ton of videos unboxing this iPhone, but I just thought to make it a quick video just to unbox this iPhone, do the whole setup from start to finish. So let's go ahead and see how this goes. So the first remarkable thing is how thin this box becomes. Well, we don't have a charger anymore and we don't have a headphone jack. How sad. Apple cares about the environment. But I keep asking myself how much damage does a bigger box does to the environment. If we just pick this iPhone 6s, we see a huge difference when it comes to the box. Yeah, I know in a pallet you can ship twice as much iPhone, so kind of good for the environment. But then again, how much chargers needs to be shipped separately? Now they don't include that in the box. Also, how many third parties are now shipping even more of those chargers? And it's always nice to have a headphone jack. I mean, I don't like using a Bluetooth one. Why not just keep those? Hey, that's just some thoughts I want to share with you. Let's go ahead right into the unboxing. It's kind of, we don't have plastic anymore, which is a good thing. But then again, we don't have that ACMR experience we see all over YouTube. And there's that. It's kind of a champagne color right away. It's not that gold. I mean, I can remember from the iPhone XS Max that I had a couple of years ago. It was that gold that's screaming on you. But this is a more of a champagne color, which is a beautiful color. Now I'm looking at it in real time. I have this color, the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Sierra Blue. And now I'm seeing this color. I kind of gravitate towards this color. Let's go ahead and peel this right off. What we have more in the box, well, we have the cable that's still in the box, fortunately. And we have some paperwork with a tool ejector and some stickers. I bet you all know about that. So let's put that right back. And there you have it, the Apple logo. The screen is just amazing. I'm now indoors, it's not outdoors. That's a day and night different. We get right to see the hello animation, the famous hello animation in all kind of languages. If I swipe to the top and I choose a language, let's do that. So as you may know, you can quick start this iPhone. If you already have an iPhone, you can just quick start this iPhone, or you can set up the iPhone manually. I'll go for the quick start since I'm not planning on wasting any of your time. So let's do that. So if you have your old iPhone next to your new one, the only thing you have to do is having your Wi-Fi on and this animation pops up. You hit connect. This animation will pop up on your new phone. And the only thing you do is just scan that animation like that, and in a couple of moments you can just start right away with your new phone. You need to insert your passcode app, obviously, so I'll do that. And what it says, it's in French, but what it says is basically that the activation will take a couple of minutes. So give it a couple of minutes. Just make yourself a cup of tea and go back to it and see how far it went. So after a couple of minutes, you get this message on your new iPhone. Just hit continue. I want to touch real quick on the color. We have here on the left side an iPhone 11 Pro Max and on the right side the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And see how different that color is. This is kind of a champagne color, which is a very beautiful color. I didn't thought that this goldish color is that beautiful. Right here on the left side, we have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and that has a very dark gold color, which is, yeah, it is beautiful. But I mean, yeah, Apple did a great job improving their color scheme and going for this lightish color. So yeah, after a couple of minutes, yeah, you need just to continue by like transferring all this data into this new phone. So hit continue. So after you've activated your Apple Pay, yeah, obviously you need to agree to the terms and conditions of that bank and Apple. And it takes a couple of minutes more to activate that. So you get, I'm not sure how it goes in the US, but in the Netherlands, just to verify it's you. I bet it's worldwide, everywhere in the world, just to verify if it is you, they send you a text message. So that's what they are going to do right now, I bet. And now the transfer process of the old iPhone into the new one starts to happen. So once the transfer is terminated, you get this message and your new iPhone restarts. So even then you need to give it a couple of minutes more. This whole setup when you have a new iPhone takes about a half hour. In the past, it even took more. I guess when I had the iPhone 6S like 8 years ago, it took me like an hour and a half just to transfer all the information into the new one. And now it's all set up. So yeah, it took me like a half hour, like I said. And if I just swipe up and insert my code, continue, well, Face ID, I'll do that much later, accept those conditions, and we have it. The new iPhone is now set up. If I test things real quick, I'm not sure if the camera is already activated, so let's see how that looks. So this is now me filming with iPhone 13 Pro Max. The image is just beautiful, and the audio is also coming right off the iPhone 13 Pro Max, as you see here. And yeah, that's actually it. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions about it, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you so much for your support, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.